In studio with me, I have our resident 2010 analyst, Dr. Nick. Today, we're going to be looking at the Confed Cup scorecard, where we take a look at everything from team centricity to transport. Dr. Nick, welcome back to the show. It's post-Confed Cup. We're looking at your scorecard. I think let's start off with the very first slide, team centricity. Tell us a little bit more about that and what that means, really.
Well, there are basically four main stakeholders for the Confederations Cup, which is obviously the visiting teams, the media, the fans, and the hosting nation. Now, for the visiting team, how did they experience their accommodation? How did they experience the playing facilities, the training facilities? And it was actually the US coach, Bob Bradley, who summed it up best when he said, and I quote, that we had an amazing experience down here in South Africa. We had a very friendly reception. Security personnel actually smiled, and the organization was superb. And
So
they're looking...
Team centricity doing well,
Very well, scored 85%, and they are looking to a man. Bob Bradley said they are looking forward to coming back in 2010.
Perfect. If we look at your next slide, media centricity, how did we score there?
Well, the international media were actually happy with the facilities at the stadia. The only problem encountered was really the media shuttle in and out of the stadia, but the facilities were great, the broadcasts were great. In fact, it was better than Germany.
There was a bit of negativity on the media part, one of the Reuters journalists getting mugged. How do we counter that for 2010?
Well, there was a lot of negativity at the beginning of the tournament. In fact, at the first press conference, all the questions fielded by international journalists were about security and crime. Interestingly, at the last press conference, not a single question came up about security.
Perfect.
And we only had 39 minor incidents of petty theft, which again compare very favorably to Germany.